Hey friends, it's Debbie from RefreshRestyle.com, and today I'm going to be sharing a new project with Couture chalk paste. I hope you'll join me. Today I'm using the Come In and Stay a While transfer. It is large. The size is 12 inches by 18 inches. It's the C size transfer from Couture. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it on a board that I painted previously with black chalk paint. So I'm going to use a towel to fuzz it a little bit because, as you know, the transfers are very sticky, and I want to make sure it doesn't pull up the paint that I painted just a couple of days ago on this board. I just eyeball the placement of my transfer, and the board is the perfect size. I'm just going to center it by looking at the transfer as opposed to the board, and then I'm going to just use my fingertips to press the transfer down in place, and then we'll get started. Now that I've got everything pressed down, I'm going to be using the white Chalkology chalk paste, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to mine. I've been using it a few times and it just was drying out a little bit. You just spritz a little bit of water at a time in there and then stir it well. Here I am placing it on the transfer, and as soon as I get it placed on, I'm going to use the angled squeegee to go across all the lettering. As you can see, this transfer has cut lines, and I wasn't too worried about getting the chalk paste in those because I was going to just take a wet cloth and clean that up afterwards, but the cut lines are there in case you want to use each word individually or you want to place the transfer in a different order. You could use the come in and position it above the stay a while, or you could just not use it at all and just use stay a while. There's so many options, and this transfer you can use over and over again, so even if you did it one way one time, you could do it another way the next time. After going over all the words on the transfer, I'm just scooping up the extra chalk paste and putting it back into my container so I can use it later. Once I get everything the way I want it, I'm going to lift up the transfer and pull from left to right. And as you can see, the letters are so crisp and beautiful. I love the way it looks. It's so nice and so much easier than a stencil. Look how crisp those lines are. And you can see the cut lines there, and I'm going to take this damp wipe and just wipe those off. And when it dries, you don't even see them. You don't even know they were there. Next time I may use the wording in a different form, and I'll be able to do that just by using these cut lines and separating the words. After you get finished with everything, it's time to clean up. So just clean your transfer with warm water and clean your squeegee. You're ready for next time.